what Santa Barbara looks like. So we're anchored outside of the pier. There's tons of boats in here, which, I mean, I don't think we were expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but super hard to navigate in the dark because nobody had their lights on. And who knows, like maybe they went to shore earlier in the day, but that was crazy. I've forgotten to turn our lights on before, but it is a big deal when somebody else is trying to navigate through. So yeah, anyway, it's so nice out. We had a really good sleep. It's like definitely rolly in here because we're not protected at all. But coming off of sailing like over 2 nights, it's kind of nice to have a little bit of movement. I think if it was dead calm, it'd almost keep you awake. Anyway, whatever. I slept really well. Still pretty tired, but I think we're gonna have French toast today. A little bit of a celebratory breakfast. We're gonna go look around Santa Barbara. The color of the water here is different. It's bluer. For real, I thought it was like a trickery thing yesterday with the sky as we were sailing in, but it's bluer. Look at a pretty boat. She looks good in the sun too. Look at the palm trees. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful here. This is gonna be interesting. New. Oh, this is not looking like it's gonna be good on our dinghy. I feel like we should have brought the backpack.
Why?
Do you have the phone in a secure place? I don't know how. Okay, can you stop this recording and then I'll. So, dinghy just popped.
Big hole too.
The dinghy just popped on the barnacles, which is what we were afraid of. Gotta go back to the boat. Hopefully we can make it. Well, that was short-lived. This popped on a shell. Let's see. That's huge.
That's so frustrating.
It's a bit of a different looking morning today. Really cloudy. I'm gonna check out my patches. I guess I won't know until I blow it up. So I'm really hoping it worked. I just want to go to check it out here. We're so close, but so far away.
Well, that was quite a process. What?
Present there? I can go get it.
Here's the keys for our boat.
I'll go get it. Push it off. There you go.
Thank you. Thanks for your help. I'm sure it's great. Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
So the sky's cleared up and it is hot out today. So nice. That place looks really cool. are you doing?
Tired. But good. I'm doing good.
I'm so surprised. I had no idea what to expect here. And like, I'm so surprised. It's so cool here. I love it. We don't really know what to do. There's a lot of nice restaurants around and expensive stores. And we just keep walking. So. I just don't know where to go first. Anyway, we're probably gonna go get some food. Probably pizza. There's so many pizzerias around here and we love pizza, so. Hungry.
Okay. Santa Barbara was a really neat town. We spent all day getting an episode uploaded and walking around the town. It was definitely one of the more expensive places we've been to, and because of that, we went to many different restaurants trying to find the best deal for food, which also meant we left eating way too long, and because of that, we were really frustrated with each other by the end of the evening.
Good news. We still got a floating dinghy. I guess it's just now getting onto it without popping it. It's low tide right now, so all of those mussels are exposed on the ladder, so we have to be careful not to pop the dinghy again. It's so nice out. Today we are leaving Santa Barbara. We're heading to one of the Channel Islands. I don't remember which one, just for a night, because we want to go to Santa Catalina, but it's like 15, 16 hours away from here, so we're trying to split the trip up so we don't have to do an overnight. So we're gonna head to, I can't remember what it's called, one of those islands. Not a lot of wind today. It doesn't look like there's gonna be a lot of wind, but it's so nice out already. Like, the seas are supposed to be really calm. We're just planning on taking it slow, and hopefully we can just try out some different sails and just enjoy the day a bit. So yeah, I made what is it called? Hummus. I made hummus for the first time. I made hummus. It's good. It's very garlicky, so I've got to perfect the recipe and probably roast the garlic. I think that would be key. But if anyone else has a good recipe, I'm all in, because I'm pretty pumped on this.
Four? Okay, well look, the 90s version is
It's pretty huge. Here comes all your stuff, Walmart.
Corey in the chat says, I give that game 2 out of 5.
That was my joke. Fellow Canadian sailor. We have no idea who that is.
Go buzz by him.
Yeah, sure. So this anchorage looks really different. These like cliffs are massive. It's crazy. And we're just completely exposed out here, but it's supposed to be pretty protected from most weather. So. Okay. Look at the color of the water. Can you tell how blue that is?
God, that it's so murky.
It is quite murky. Oh, it's so beautiful. Woo! You can see the difference over there in the water. Wow, this is so crazy. This is a massive, massive anchorage. It's crazy. You had one job.
Sorry, Tiff.
Told you to get this sunset.
A few more boats have come in. Beautiful cat. A few more over there. So we're in quite an exposed anchorage, but we're sort of in the lee of this island when it comes to the swell, so it's Nice. Too bad we have to get up at the crack of dawn. Well before the crack of dawn.
I know, we won't see the sunrise here, but oh well. It beats,
Maybe we should just stay here tonight.
You're staying here tonight.
I mean, tomorrow.
No! We have plans!
Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you don't already know, Xanadu is up for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing her, there's a link in the description below. And give us an email, waldesailing@gmail.com. We'd really like for her to go to another adventuring person. So if you want to come cruise the Sea of Cortez, now's your chance.
Thanks for watching, and we want you guys to know that even though we are selling the boat, we still have tons of footage that will be coming out in weekly episodes. So if you do like our episodes, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.
But why does it feel